Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Brackets.
What does the dictionary say?
Brackets, parentheses of various forms indicating that the enclosed quantity is to be treated as a unit.
Math rap.
Hang on to your hats and tighten your jackets. Symbol used in pairs to group things are brackets. Parentheses, round, squared or boxed. Solve the issues within first so you're never outfoxed.
Math rap.
Brackets are like jackets. It's everything that's inside them that matters first. Explain brackets in your own words. Put on 2 oven mitts to represent brackets. How many ping pong balls can you catch and keep? As you catch, think about brackets and how what's between the mitts is what counts first. Write out 5 math equations that include brackets. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!